Hey guys, what is up? It is Drew and we're back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing the LED diode dynamic lights for the rear license plate, and let's see how it goes. So we're pretty much just going to change these two bulbs right here, and obviously all that you need is a Phillips head and unscrew the 4 screws right there, and we'll take it on from there. All right guys, so pretty much once you actually take this housing out, pretty much I found that using a flat head is best. Basically you want to just get it on the edge and basically try to pry it out, and it just goes into there just like that. So just put like a flat head in between and just pry it out, and pretty much with this bulb it's on there just like that, and basically you just take it out. You want to make sure not to actually touch this with your hands just because of the grease, but since we're replacing this, it doesn't really matter. And I'm actually not sure if those work still, so hopefully they work. You know, we're gonna put on the LED ones, see how they look, turn on the engine and everything. Hopefully they work, or else I'll probably have to end up taking this car back to Ford, and that's not gonna be fun. So cross my fingers that this works. All right, so pretty much we got the diode dynamic light in here, and pretty much it's fairly easy. You just plug it in as if it was like a regular battery or something like that, and you're charging it. Just want to plug it in there, and we're gonna pop it back in and see if it works. All right, so we basically just popped it back into place. You basically just push it in. It's fairly easy, and we're just bolting, putting the screw back in and testing it out. Hopefully they work, or else I'm kind of risking it driving at night without this license plate light. So hopefully they work. You guys, so as you saw, the lights don't work. I know the diode dynamics works, and if they don't work, then obviously you see that they got a 3-year warranty, so could always change them, get new ones. So but as you can see guys, those aren't working. I'll throw up a picture of how they're supposed to look, just so you guys can get an idea of how they're supposed to pretty much work. Installation is pretty much the same. It should be very easy, so you know, I'll see what I can do. Probably it's not gonna work and have to take this back to Ford and have my car there for another month, sadly. But at least we know nothing from the bumper works, so probably something with the electronics is off. I don't think that there's a fuse, but we'll see. But I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. It is Drew, and I am out. Peace.